Hey guys, today I am showing you around the Amber in the full size. This bag is so beautiful, so versatile, and I'm going to show you just how easy it is to pack it up for every day, days out at work, and also with baby. So this is Amber. It's in a full grain pebble leather. We have it in lots of other leathers as well, and lots of different colours, and it is just so beautiful, so stunning and so versatile. And today I'm just going to take you around the bag and show you how beautiful it is to pack up and to use. So around the front of the bag, first of all, we can see we have this lovely two-way zip. Makes it very easy to get into the bag. You can do it with one hand if you need to. At the front, this is probably one of my favourite pockets. This is like the organizer pocket, so everything that I need to get really easy access to just goes in the front here. You've got this nice big pocket at the front where you can put your poppy, which fits in there beautifully. I'll just grab one here to show you. So if you have a poppy to go with your bag and you want to build your kit so everything matches, that fits in there beautifully. And then what you can do is you can add the little D-ring to the clip like that, meaning that nobody can go in and take it without you realising. So you've got that added bit of security there. So some of the bags have got the 3 slip pockets from the old collection, and then the new collection has got this single pocket. So do check the pictures before you make your purchase to see which one you're going to be buying. You have got your elasticated pocket here. I like to put my lip glosses, hand creams, any little bits that I want to grab and not lose go in there, and then they're kept nice and safe. And then I've got a pen holder as well, which I find so useful. Every time I'm needing a pen, I can just go in here and I know that I've got one ready to go. So that's the beautiful organised pocket at the front. So at the sides, you've got these lovely two-way zip pockets. Now why they are two-way zips is because I've designed them that way. And the reason for that is if you want to slip a bottle in there, you can then zip it up at the side and the bottle will not move and it will stay nice and in place for the whole day. The outside pockets are insulated and the lining is completely waterproof throughout the bag. So if you have any spills or if you want to pop your umbrella in one of the side pockets, this is also a really great place to pack it as well. Now moving around to the back of the bag, it's genius. You've got these lovely padded straps and you've got this adjustable option here. So you've really got loads of room to make the bag much longer or shorter if you need to. And then everything is housed away with this little wrist loop, which makes it great for keeping everything in its place and neat and tidy. Now, flipping over here, we've got these 2 little genius pockets. So this one down the back here, you can see, this is a great security pocket. If you're traveling, it's a great place to put your passport, your wallet, keys, that kind of thing. And on the other side, you have got this other cool little pocket here. And into here, you can slide a 12-inch MacBook Air. Otherwise, you could also put in an iPad, a 12-inch laptop. It would need to be a slimline laptop, which is the reason that I mentioned the MacBook Air, because that's the one we've tried. However, if your laptop is a bit bigger, you can put it in the main compartment, which I'm just going to show you in a second. Now, the other nice little detail on the back here are these slide over straps. So what's great about these is if you're traveling or commuting or jet setting away, these will slide over your trolley bag, meaning you will have no bashed ankles and a seamless commute through check-in. The only other thing to mention is that this bag is also approved as a normal size handbag at this moment in time on all airlines. I cannot guarantee that for Ryanair because they're always changing their rules, but on most normal airlines, you can take this bag as your normal handbag. So if you're taking a trolley bag, you can take this on the top of your trolley bag and then you can take your trolley bag as well as an additional carry-on. So I think that's everything around the outside of the bag. You've got this lovely grab handle at the top here, which makes it really easy to grab and go. And it's also nice and sturdy. One thing just to mention in terms of kit, people do tend to love to add their own accessories to the KeriKit bags, which is what we're all about here. You've got the lovely Warrior, which you can get personalised, which sits really nicely on the side here. And what's a great little addition is our Gretchen straps. So many people like to buy the Gretchen strap with the Amber, they clip it onto the side D-rings like this, and then afterwards they can use it as a normal shoulder bag. So if they don't want to put the backpack straps on, adding this on to the clips here is a really nice little option. Now then, let's dive inside the bag. So as we dive inside the bag, as you can see, we've got these butter soft zips, making it really easy to get access to the bag. The flap sits back so you can see inside really, really nicely. And you've got this nice little clip at the top, which is a perfect place to put your keys, or you can hang a soother or a pacifier on there. You've got a security pocket at the back, so I tend to find this is a really great place to put things that I don't want any children to get access to. So I would put in here my medication or my sanitary needs, anything like that that you just want to keep a little bit more secret. You've got this back section here, so this is a really great place to put your laptop if you have a slightly bigger laptop, or magazines, or even a lever like an A4 file will fit in here too. So on the inside of the bag, it's beautiful. You've got this light coloured jacquard lining, making it really easy to see inside. And what I've done is I've bound the inside of the bag, so you don't really get that on many bags. And the reason I've done that is so that everything will always stay in its place. So in a moment when I pack up the bag, you'll see what I'm talking about. It's just genius. That's pretty much everything regarding the bag itself. So now I'm going to show you the bag packed up in different ways. Okay, so now the amber is packed up, and I've kind of packed it how I would take it out if I was heading out for the day without any children, just getting a few jobs done, nipping into an office, maybe meeting somebody to do some work in a cafe, and just needing everything I could possibly want for a day out, including a few bits to take me from day to night, because often I will go from an office meeting, I'll go from here into London, and then I'll go out in the evening. So I need one bag that really does it all, and I think that the amber really delivers on that level. So on the outside here we have the bottle holder. Now I'm just going to show you a couple of options. So here we have a normal bottle, so this just shows that it will take any size gin bottle that you might need to take out with you. But if you want to have it closed completely, then these little flask bottles are fabulous for going inside these particular bags. They close up completely, nothing is visible, and as I said, both these pockets are insulated, so they will keep your bottles or cans or whatever warm or cool for longer periods, which I think is fabulous. So at the moment we have one bottle on that side. Now on the other side, I've just popped an umbrella because I think it's really good to have access. Living in England, it rains all the time. So I've got an umbrella here. You can get smaller ones that fit in completely. This is just a standard umbrella, so it gives you an idea of the size. But again, with the two-way zip, you can zip it up, keeps everything in place, you're good to go. Now I have filled this bag really full, just so you can see basically how much fits inside. Now I'll spin it around to the back first, because hidden in here is our 12-inch laptop. So this is the 12-inch MacBook Air. It slides in snugly, so I wouldn't say that every laptop is going to fit inside this slip pocket, but you'll be absolutely fine with smaller laptops, iPads, Kindles, anything like that. If you have a normal office computer like a Dell or something like that, the 14-inch does fit inside this bag. We have tried and tested it. So opening up the bag now, in the main section, I have filled it to the brim, so you can really see what you can fit inside this bad boy. So I've got a spare jumper, which is a normal sized V-neck cashmere jumper. And then I've got our zip top bag. So the bags come with a zip top. The big size bags come with a big one, and the middies come with a midi one. And inside here, you can easily fit a pair of trainers or a pair of flat shoes. So if I'm wearing heels and I want some flats, it's a really great place to put them inside here if I want to switch out my shoes during the day. Now, internally, there is a nice big space where everything used to be. You can see here there's a key option to pop your key on here so you can find it easily. Great if you're taking one of those keys for your car that you don't need to take out of your bag anymore, because then it can just sit here the whole time, and it's there for you when you get to the car will open, you don't even need to take it out. So around the edges, you can't really see very much at the moment, but in there we have got lots of little bits and bobs. So in the pocket on the side here, I've just put down some sunglasses and some reading glasses. If you wanted to put them in the case, you could fit one of those in easily. You could probably even fit two side by side. On the other side here, in this other pocket, we've got our tech items. So I've got my mouse and I've got my charger. And then at the front here, if you can see these extra two pockets, we've got another pair of sunglasses, and we have got just some little bits of hand cream and some bits of makeup as well. Now, if you don't want to take things in the main section, you've got lots of space, but you want to take lots of more bits and bobs, then you've got the option of our packing pouches, which are fabulous. So I've just packed these up here. They come in a packet of 3. There's the small, the medium and the large. In here I've just got extra masks and hand sanitizer. In this section I've filled it quite full with everything that I would need for an overnight stay. And then in here I've just got some bits of makeup. So just to show you, if you didn't need to take a spare pair of shoes or put a jumper in there, you've got plenty of room to pop your 3 packing pouches, and you've still got room to spare. So it's marvellous. You can just basically pack the bag however you need to for whatever you're doing in that day. Now at the back here, just to give you an idea of size, I've got our lovely Vicky journal, which is stunning. This is my one. We have it in lots of different colours. And we have got a magazine, just to give you an idea of scale, so you can see how easily everything fits into that back pocket and how easily you can slide everything back out again. And now we have one of my favourite pockets, which is the organiser pocket at the front. So here I've just got my phone today, but if you were unsure of where you were, you could very easily pop that into the back section instead. I have got my poppy in here, which is where I put all my cards and my notes, and I've secured that with the D-ring. And then I've got my pen in case I need it. And then in here I've just got essentials, so I'll always have 2 different lip glosses, one for day and one for night generally. I'll have a hair bubble and I'll have a nail file, and that will always stay in there nice and secure. My hand cream's in the main section of the bag, but equally I could pop it in here as well. So that is the beautiful Amber, all set out for a busy day out, meeting clients, going from day to night, and everything else in between.